Now let's start with coding. First we will have to build UI. So change the title to Agora live stream web app. I am using that live preview Visual Studio Code extension which will show me all the live changes made in the UI at the right side. Throughout this course I will use jQuery, which is a JavaScript library, and make it easy for us to write a JavaScript code. And the other will be that Bootstrap CSS. So in your browser type for jQuery link. Also for that Bootstrap link, click on that first link, and also here click on that first link. Here I have to copy that Google CDN script file link. And I have to paste it in the head tag of that index.html file. Then I have to copy that Bootstrap link. Here you will find that CSS file link and that JavaScript, but I will use that CSS file link. So copy it and paste it here. I will add a comment. So this will be that Bootstrap link. Copy it and let me paste it there and change it to jQuery.